Hi guys, here we are at Dollar General. Let's take a look at the home decor. Okay, so guys, look at this, how cute. This is the Love and Sweet mason jar wall hanging. Those are $1. Aren't they adorable? Then they have this one that says focus on the good. And I'm pretty sure that's $1 too, yes. And then look at these. Guys, I think these are bird feeders. I don't know, I didn't notice that the last time. So what is the price of this? I'm not sure. Let's see. The tag is in the back. Okay, so these are animal bird feeders and they're $5. So look at that. They have the pig, and I know they have another character back here. I think that's the cow. Okay, and then they have this flag with the bees. Those are $3. And then they have this garden flag. So this one says welcome, and it's the frog. That one says garden flag with the sunflower. These are the butterflies. That's pretty neat, guys. So I think they just keep repeating the frog, the butterfly. That's really nice. Then if you come down here, guys, I didn't see these before. Okay, these are $4, these angels. So you have that one that says love, this one that says peace for $4. And then they have this little fairy garden angel right here, and she's pretty big. She doesn't have a price on her. So now you have these, guys. So now these with the succulents are $3. So you have the succulent, you have the pig, that's $3. Over here you have the unicorn, $3. And I'm loving these colors. So here's the llama, that's $3. And here's the sheep. Isn't that adorable? And that's $3. Okay. Then you have the ceramic bird for outside. That's $2.50. Then you have the cardinal, and he is $1. So then you have these for the fairy garden, the mini garden metal decor, and that's $1. That's the windmill. Isn't that adorable, guys? Then you have this. So you have the one of the dwarfs, that's Doc with the little ball, that's $10. And that one is Sneezy, and that one is Sneezy too. So then you have these. Love is patient, love is kind, love never fails. 1 Corinthians 13:4. These are $1, guys. Then this one says walk by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7. So those are really nice, guys. I don't want to take them all out because I don't want them to break. Then you have more fairy garden stuff. Look at the chair. Isn't that adorable? So those are $1. And look at that angel back there. Let me see if I can get a price on her. $8. And that's because of her size, I bet. So here you have the outside. Here you have the inspirational animal decor. That's the bunny. That's $1. And here's the frog back here that says believe. That is so cute. And this one says joy. Okay, so the bunny says joy and the frog says believe. That's cute. Then you have the little camper guy. Then you have the gnome. That's $1. So all these are $1. And these are the pets for $1. Here's the water can for $1 and the cow. The gnomes in the back, those are all $1, guys. Then you have the birds, and then these look at that. I think that's the Eiffel Tower. And then you have this sign here, the garden tools, and look at this. That is so cute. So then you have some more of the garden tools down here, and then you have this faith. These are stones. This one says love. This one says faith, hope. I'm sorry. That one says welcome. Hope and welcome. Then these guys, this is the first time I'm seeing those, and those are $3. So then you have, this is part of the Nautica decor they had. These are $3, so they only have a few of those left. Here's a small little lantern for $5, and these are really cute too, for lighting outside. These are $3. I'm loving those colors. So they have quite a few of those, guys. You have this iridescent cup. This is $3.50. These guys I think are new. Then you have it in the purple with the purple top. Isn't that beautiful? I'm into that iridescent right now. I'm absolutely loving this. Okay, so this is $3.50. Then you have these metal ones. These metal ones are very nice. These are $5. So you have this kind and this kind for $3. And here it is in the rose gold. Guys, I'm loving these. I am absolutely loving these. See if I can bring these lower. Okay, I don't want to break these, but these are new. I can tell you these are new because I have not seen them, and I'm always in here. So guys, for $3, isn't that beautiful? So you have that color. There's the green top. And I told you those were for $3, those are really nice. Then here, let me see. These little casserole dishes, I don't know. This one says let's eat. Those are $3. Then they have it in the gray, which says yummy. Those are $3. Isn't that nice? So you have that one. And then you have that one. Very nice, guys. Then you have these plastic melamine dinner plates. They're pretty thin, but they're $1, and they're really nice. So here's another one of those, and then here are the mugs. So these guys are new. I haven't seen them all at this location. They were not at the other locations I was in, so they're only at this location. So you have one, these are $1, and this one says dream big. This one says a cup of happy, but first coffee. Coffee is a hug in a mug, but first coffee. And then they have these, guys. So you get 2 coffee cups for $1, OCD obsessed coffee drinker, and that one says rise and grind. That's pretty awesome, guys. And I'm liking these. Now, I saw one of these at the last location, guys. I'm liking them because, see, if they were clear, they would remind me of rhinestone. Here it is in the peach. So these guys are $4. Here it is in the gray. And they also have it in the light blue, guys. You see it? Isn't that pretty? I don't know. Something about it reminds me of gemstones. So then this one here is $3.50, and it comes in the purple, the blue, and this color. I like that. And let me see what other home decor stuff I'm missing. So over here, guys, you just have some of the torch fuel. You have some gardening gloves, and you have now these guys, you know, I always point stuff out to you whenever I get a chance. So these are just slightly different looking than the ones from the Dollar Tree, and they cost $2. But even the ones from the Dollar Tree are just slightly longer, and they're more fancier for $1. This, though, looks like it might be a good buy. These sponges, you get 6 huge ones there. They're pretty thick for $1. Then they have this over here, this little galvanized bucket here. This is $1. Then they have these are $2.50, and this one here, guys, this size here you could also get for $1, and over here they have them for $3. So you have the gardening gloves. Here's the weed and grass killer, and here's huge bags of potting soil. Well, you know they don't have that at the Dollar Tree. Oh, and look over here, guys, they have the bigger ones. Okay, so these bigger ones, oh my goodness, I don't know how I missed this. These are $5, so this is a very good buy. Look at this. I'm going to show you the size difference right now. So you have these 2 colors. These size here are $5. And then here are the smaller ones. I'm going to bring them closer. I'm going to bring those closer because these are $3. See, so you have the $3 ones. And then look how big the difference in size. And that's only $5 for $2 more. And then they have these pillows here for the kids. And they come, I don't know, that's a dinosaur, I think. Then they have the little cozy hoodie one, the hoodie blanket, the hoodie throw, I think that's a llama. Then you have these bean bags. These are good for the back of your neck. Then they have these body pillows. They're all folded up, guys. I don't want to unfold them. They're $10 for the body pillows. So these are all body pillows. And look at these. This is a full queen size quilt. Okay, so this is an acrylic throw for $12. Then you have these fuzzy ones for $10. And this is Life is Sweeter with sprinkles. Isn't that adorable? Those are $5. And then here's the fuzzy one, fuzzy throw for $10. These are pillowcases. So these over here say Sweet Dreams. How sweet is that? I don't see a price. Let me see, because Dollar Tree is supposedly coming out with these. So this says her side and his size for $5. These are new. Guys, these are definitely new. Let me see. These could be $5 too. Let me see if it's the same brand. Comfort Bay. That one back there says Mr. Right and Mrs. Always Right. And that one says Sweet Dreams, guys. And this one here says her side, his side. I'm loving those. $5. I love those. Then you have this ceramic container for $5, and this is a random toothbrush holder for $5, but I'm liking that rub bronze. Then you have this for the laundry. Guys, the laundry rule: sort today, wash tomorrow, fold eventually, repeat. I knew that was going to be funny. And then look at these bins. This one says love. And then you have some of their towel sets, and I show you their body towel stuff. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General to check out their home decor, and I'll see you in the next video.